See if you like it. It's yum?
Lexi, what'd you like?
Tell Jenny what you were drinking.
I'm drinking wine. It's yummy.
It's yummy? Have another taste. She got Italian in her.
Yum, yum. Was it good?
Yes, it was good.
Gouda?
Dad, the wine.
Oh no.
So cheers to the wine.
Hey, Jenny, cheers.
Cheer here. Cheers. Cheers to wine. Lexi. Cheers to wine.
Are you guys having the good stuff?
Not yet.
Oh.